Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. So the Chainlink scenario for now remains unchanged for now, yeah. So the view has been here that we have made a WXY pattern. That wave 4, by the way, needs to be here. That with the wave Y, we actually completed here the wave 4. Absolutely possible, absolutely likely. And that then when we moved below this 50-day moving average again, yeah, we tried to break through here, failed, that this was then already the beginning of an impulsive move to the downside. Basically wave 4 finished here. That wave Y came across as a triangle, completed, and now we are in an impulsive move down. That would be my primary expectation, where however we would need to break below that $6 level. That's the 88.7% FIB level. So very important support. You can see how we were dancing on this support level now for the last few days. And then to get real confirmation that we are breaking down here from the triangle, because this is not yet 100% confirmed. Yeah, we have a good indication because we moved below the wave D low here at 642. And to be honest, you can see now how this 642 level that provided support before is now providing resistance. So if I add that to the chart, you can see this here, maybe not that well. Let me just change that into white. Yeah, you can see it now. Support here has been resistance here, has been resistance here. And if we fail now again to get above this, that could be it. And that could move us further down below the $6 level. And then also, and that would then be the final confirmation. Break below the wave B low of this triangle at $5.30. And then we are making a lower low anyway. And then we are very, very sure that we are in this move down. Unfortunately, there's really only one swing low left to take out, which means we can't really get any further confirmation before we make another lower low. So we really have to take that low out at 534 to get real confirmation that the triangle broke out as expected to the downside. This is the primary expectation. Is there a bullish wave count? Yeah, we could make it work bullish purely because we've made a higher low here. But again, to show you a bullish wave count, I wouldn't do it until we break above that 969 level. Yeah, maybe already at 750 we can look at it, but real confirmation, I think, that we get into something more bullish would only be obtained above 669. The problem is here that you only above this swing high will really invalidate this triangle. So this triangle count would confirm or would assume that we go down from here. So if we invalidate the triangle to the upside, it must clearly be something else. Until we break above 969, it really can be a sort of still a variant of a triangle. Yeah, it is for me then still too corrective. So this is what it is, because the price action since the low has been very corrective. It has not really been very bullish. I need to take that one too out, by the way. That would be the bullish count, but yeah, let me take that out, because it is just not very likely until we see price action above these levels. And also we can't really nicely count an impulse here. I would have my problems with that. So for now, focus here would remain on the downside. As pretty much for all cryptos, primary expectation that I follow is still further downside, even though there are some cryptos that show potential to the upside, yeah, where we can look in more detail into a bullish wave count where it is more likely, but still primary expectation until we take certain structural levels out to the upside, the focus needs to be remaining on the downside. We have to allow for both options at the moment, yeah. We need to keep an open mind at the moment. This wasn't always the case until we reached the target area here. The focus was pretty much only on the downside. Now this has changed with Chainlink reaching target here. Yeah, this was the larger target area that we've had on the radar since November, December. Here between the 88.7 and the 78.6% FIB level. Takes a moment to load, but that was between $6 and I believe it was $11.30 up here. So as soon as it has loaded, yeah, we can take a look at that. So this was the area here, yeah, $11.30 and $6. That was the area. And there was pretty much only a bearish scenario until we finally reached it. And now we have a bullish and a bearish one. So we need to be aware that at any point in time this overall correction could be over. Maybe it's over already, but this is exactly the uncertainty that we are currently in, and we just need the market to make a decision, and then we can take it from there. Yeah, at the moment, however, primarily I would still expect lower lows, especially as we are officially still in a downtrend. Yeah, we are sort of not taking out any key levels here, and you can even draw a trend line here, and if we zoom in, you can see we are still below that trend line as well, so connecting basically the peaks to each other. Let me make that a bit more accurate here, a bit closer. That we can see if we already here at the potential breakout point, but this is a very clear channel in which we are. I mean, you can see this as a huge descending wedge. Yeah, this is how you could see it. Possible a huge bullish breakout pattern, which doesn't mean, however, we need to break out here. We could move one more lower and then break out to the upside. So I have that huge reversal pattern on the radar. But overall, yeah, as long as we are still below this trend line, and we might try to attempt a breakout here, but again, until we get at least above 750, I wouldn't be confident that this breakout is real, because even above 750, above 750, you have already then also broken above the 50-day moving average that is currently at $7. So again, it all depends now on price confirmation. This is what we need. It would be great to reverse here, don't get me wrong. This is the 88.7% fib level. Would be good for that coin to stay above that level and reverse to the upside from here. So that's pretty much what I can tell you about Chainlink at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.